Want to stay organized and manage your tasks using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to use the Productivity Planner feature. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Gem Manager. Now, find and select Productivity Planner. Here, you'll see a description of this feature. Productivity Planner helps you stay on top of your work by organizing tasks, daily updates, and weekly summaries. It can also connect with apps like Calendar and Drive to boost your productivity. Now, tap the message box. Type a request like, "Create a work brief for me every morning." Then tap Send. Gemini will generate a plan or suggestion to help you manage your daily tasks. This makes it easier to stay organized and focused throughout the day. And that's how to use Productivity Planner in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.